Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this Dutch pour. I'm using Oxide Black by Amsterdam as my base color. If you're interested in the exact paint ratios, colors, and any of the other supplies that I'm using, you can find all that info listed in the description box. Let's pop some of the air bubbles. I'm using a heat gun for that. I'm making sure that I've got paint on the edges too, just to help the paint flow over easily once we start blowing this out. So we're ready for all the colors. This is Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics. Titanium White by Amsterdam. Aqua Green by Artist's Loft. Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Azo Yellow Medium by Amsterdam. Permanent Green Light by Amsterdam. Primary Magenta, also by Amsterdam. Primary Yellow by Amsterdam. Brilliant Blue by Amsterdam. 24 Karat Gold. This is by Deco Art and it's their Metallics paint. Vermilion by Amsterdam. Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. So you've seen all these colors before. I'm just going to be adding them on again. So we've got Rose Pink, Primary Magenta, Permanent Blue Violet, Azo Yellow Medium, Primary Yellow, Permanent Green Light, Aqua Green, and Brilliance Blue. Popping some of those air bubbles again. Now I'm just using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. I'm using a straw to change up some of the sections just a little bit. Alright, so now for a quick close-up. I really like some of the cells that have formed. And I'm liking some of the different color combinations as well. Some pretty cells over here too. I was wanting it to look a little bit more rainbow colored, but I'm still loving the bright colors and we'll just have to give it another try to try and get a little bit more of a rainbow colored look. Overall, pretty happy with this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for joining me and I look forward to seeing you again next time.